Okie dokie, everybody. This is the next project. And you're probably thinking, wait a second, this is a complete guitar. This is a Lion by Washburn something. I have a cough drop in my mouth in case you're wondering what's going on with my voice. I still got a cough. But this is a guitar I was given by my friend. Gonna be a donor guitar for the project that I have planned. So, the plan is, we are going to route this guitar out and turn it into an acoustic guitar. I'm going to shave off the sides of this headstock, maybe add some extra pieces of wood here to make up for the thickness, and then we are going to put classical tuners on this, and then we're also going to widen the neck here. Give ourselves some more room to work with the nylon strings. So the first thing we're going to do is take off everything, including the neck, including all the pickups, all the electronics. We're going to gut it, and then we're going to cut it.
Oh no! What happened to my guitar?
So we have stripped this bad boy down. And what do you see besides nudity? Pure wood. So now what I want to do is I want to make these sides flat.
Stay tuned for part 2.